This is the Boost eBay Toolkit dashboard. Once logged in, your account will already have analyzed your live eBay listings and brought back reports on compliance issues for missing data and item specifics, but also an overall optimization score of all your eBay listings combined. Clicking either of these buttons will then take you through to the optimization process to fix these urgent issues and optimize for better search reach, visibility, click-through rates, and sales conversion rates. Further down on the dashboard is different types of reports you can expect to see within Boost Analytics. It'll bring back issues on listings from missing item specifics, low impressions, poor sales, or low views. By clicking into these products which need urgent attention, you can view a full item report for a detailed analysis of what's working on your existing listings and which areas of optimization are complete, which areas of optimization are recommended, and which areas of optimization are required for better search reach, visibility, and click-through rates on eBay. You've also got the current grading and optimization score of the issues. But if you click Fix Issues, this will take you through to the optimization process where you can use the tool and get a good idea of how our optimization process works, and then revise the item back up to eBay and get a new optimization score. The optimized listings section of Boost Analytics shows you which listings have poor visibility, ranking, and impressions on eBay. So buyers are actively searching for these type of listings, but they're not appearing within the eBay search results or ranking very highly, resulting in poor visibility in compared to the buyer demand data we're seeing for the categories these are listed into. So within this report, you'll see all the different product cards with listings which need optimization for better visibility. On each of the product cards, you'll have the optimization grade, followed by information around the product, the price, latest sales since it's been listed, the number of searches it's appeared within since it's been listed onto eBay, and also the number of page views, the click-through rate into the listings. It also generates a sales conversion rate as well. So on this listing, shows for every 10 buyers that click into the listing, it generates a sale. So by optimizing the listings within this report, it'll help expand the search reach and the visibility, but also rank these products more highly within the eBay search results, which will generate better click-through rates and help grow the sales conversion rates. The Boost Sales section of Boost Analytics are listings which are getting good impressions within eBay search results, but the click-through rates in comparison are very low for the impressions, but also low in comparison to the buyer demand data we're seeing from your competitors within that same category. So you can see on the product cards, you've got the optimization score and grade, information around the products. You can see that the impressions, which is the searches, are getting good results, but the click-through rates and page views into the actual products are pretty low in comparison to the impression data. So that means buyers are seeing these products within the eBay search results, but they're not actively clicking into the listings and therefore not actively purchasing these items. So they could be a lot better in terms of click-through rates. And so using the Boost sales optimization process, it'll help optimize the listings for better click-through rates, which will then help grow the sales conversion rates on these listings. The compliant report within Boost Analytics shows you which listings are missing certain data or item specifics which are now required by eBay or soon to be required, therefore making these listings either non-compliant now or within the coming months non-compliant. So to stay ahead of the eBay updates and keep your listings compliant, but also helping them with the visibility, search reach, ranking, and click-through rates, it's best to optimize these listings to fix the compliance issues, add in the missing data and item specifics. So you can do that one by one by clicking the Fix Compliance Issues button, and Boost Analytics will then show you which data and item specifics to add in that eBay are now requiring. Or you can use our bulk fix item specifics editor to do it on a per category basis in bulk. Boost Analytics has the power to optimize listings and fix item specifics on listings in bulk. From either of the optimization processes, if you select a category and then click Bulk Fix Item Specifics. This will then load the bulk item specifics and optimization editor. Once the editor has loaded, you'll see all the listings within this category which need optimization, either from item titles or to missing item specifics. The item specifics are ordered in columns based on the search data from the category they're listed into over the past 30 days. So for example, these listings are missing the item specific for series, which by adding those item specifics on will help add on nearly over 500,000 searches per listing over the next 30 days. So for example, adding on the Surface as a series for this Microsoft Surface laptop will then help generate more impressions because that item specifics available and filled in within the listing. You can also copy item specifics and paste it into other suitable ones which are missing the same data and item specific. You can also edit item titles in bulk within this editor too. You can add on missing keywords, rearrange keywords into higher weighted keyword order. But once you've worked through the item titles and added in all the missing item specifics to help improve the search reach, visibility, click-through rates, click revise listings, and then that'll update the listings back onto eBay with the improved data, keywords, item specifics, and overall optimization. And then it'll start getting tracked within the tracked analysis section of your Boost Analytics account to show you all the increases in performance, impressions, click-through rates, and sales post-optimization. To optimize listings individually via Boost Analytics, from one of the reports, if you scroll down into the report and click the listing you wish to optimize and click Boost Visibility in this case, it'll take you through to the optimization process where Boost Analytics has highlighted different areas for you to focus on to help improve the optimization of this listing. So it's flagged the item title and description. Description seems good and it's the perfect length. The item title is a good length, but it's missing out on important keywords. So I'll put the keyword in for the actual what item it is, which is a laptop, and click find. And this will pull back all the keywords associated with that item to show you the weighting and gives you some kind of idea of how to structure your item titles based on the weighting of keywords in relation to the eBay buyer search data. So for example, it's missing keyword. So it's best to add that into one of the first 5 positions within the item title because it's got a lot of weight to it. And instantly this will help expand the search reach, the visibility, but match more buyer searches because that keyword is present and visible within the item title. So once you've edited and updated item titles, check the description, click next, and that'll take you through onto the image section. That's all good. But the next section it's flagged is category. So if you click into there, it always does a category check to make sure that you're listing the product to the correct category. But if you're an eBay anchor store, you can map a secondary category on for free. So there's no additional fees for anchor store sellers to add on a secondary category, and that'll automatically expand the search reach and visibility of this listing within eBay. But item specifics play a big part in terms of search reach and visibility on eBay, helping expand the search reach but also matching more buyer searches. So buyers tend to go into a search results page and then filter down via item specifics. If you're missing out on these important item specifics, your product's not going to show in the search results. So it's already suggested adding on some missing item specifics, which can easily be done by clicking add all. But you'll see up here, you've got the current optimization score around the item specifics, which is 67%. It's currently appearing in 1.78 million searches over the past 30 days, but the actual category data was 2.3 million searches. So it's missing out on quite a few searches due to missing item specifics. So if we add these missing recommended item specifics on, you'll see that it's increased the search reach of visibility and grown the optimization score, but it still shows they're missing out on 559,000 searches due to missing item specifics. So if you work through this list with the little rockets, that gives you all the buyer search data over the past 30 days to make sure you've added on the important ones, which have the most search volume. But for example, series, they haven't added on series items specific to this listing, which is resulting on them missing out on 547,000 search impressions over the past 30 days. So by just simply adding that on, you'll see the optimization jump straight up to 99%. It's improved the number of searches it's going to appear within over the next 30 days and reduced the number of searches it could potentially miss out on over the forthcoming 30 days. So it's dropped down right to 12,000 searches that it's missing out on. So by adding on as many item specifics as you can in relation to the search data, so for example, if I add on graphics processing type, that's reduced it down from what it was, 12,000 down to 456. So the better your item specifics are, the better the search reach, visibility, and matching buyers' search queries within the eBay search results, which will result into bigger impressions, better click-through rates, and converting these listings into sales and transactions. So once you've worked through the item specifics, click Next and jump to the Revise tab. That'll give you the pre-optimization score, but when you revise the listing back up to eBay with the improved keywords in the item title, description, secondary category, adding on missing item specifics, it'll then generate a new optimization score, but then start tracking it within the tracked analysis section of your Boost Analytics account. So you can see the performance of this listing post optimization and all the uplifts in impressions, click-through rates, and sales conversion rates. The tracked analysis section of Boost Analytics provides all the reporting and tracking of your listings post optimization. So you can see all the metrics and data and the uplifts in impressions, page views, and items sold since they've been optimized in Boost Analytics. On each of the product cards, it gives you all the data around the listing, when it was optimized, how many days it's been tracking for, when it was originally listed on eBay, but then all the uplifts in impressions, page views, and items sold since optimization. You can easily filter by impressions, views, days, or if listings have ended, therefore Boost helping them convert into sales. So I'll click views and it'll then order the optimized listings via the highest views first. There we go. So now it's ordered within the highest page views first. And you can do this for days and ended as well. The summary page within the tracked analysis of Boost Analytics gives you an overview of how the optimization is performing once listings have all been optimized within Boost Analytics. So within this report, there's 114 listings which have been optimized. The overall impression increase is 50% across these 114. 34% increase in views, which is clicks into the listing, and overall a 284% increase in transactions across these 114 listings since they've been optimized in Boost Analytics. Below here, we've got a top performing optimized listings table to show you which of the optimized listings are performing the best. And if you click the click here link, this modal will pop up and give you further data and insights into the individual listing performance from the overview to sales, impressions, views into the listing, click-through rates from search into the listing, and sales conversion rates. The performance stats section of Boost Analytics gives you an invaluable insight into the current level of performance of your eBay listings and optimization. So on the right here, we've got an overall optimization score of all the eBay listings combined within this eBay account. So you can see it's sitting at 59%. So there's big room for improvements to be made there to grow that optimization score to a higher percentage. On the left here, we've got the percentage split of listings per rating. So it gives you a breakdown of the number of listings which are graded for optimization. So for example, this seller's got 74% graded to a C standard and just under 26% graded to a D standard. Below, we've got the sales conversion data. The better optimized listings are, the better the sales conversion rates will be. So the more you optimize listings through Boost Analytics, these scores will grow, better optimization grading, better optimization score, and overall better all sales conversion rates.